Today I'm cooking a quick and simple fishball and mushroom soup for dinner. It's delicious, very healthy and clean food. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 200 grams of fish balls, 120 grams of fried tofu, 100 grams of white chimaji mushroom, 1 liter of water, 50 grams of young choy sum, 2 cilantro roots, 10 grams of cilantro leaves cut into small pieces, 80 grams of wood ear mushroom, 50 grams of white radish, 50 grams of carrot, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat, add 1 liter of water in the pot, 2 cilantro roots, sesame oil, pepper, salt, all of the oyster sauce, carrot, and white radish. Stir to mix. Cover the pot and bring it to boil for 5 minutes. While waiting for the soup to boil, cut the tofu into smaller pieces. As the fish balls are quite big, cut them into half. Alright, they are done. Give them a wash and leave aside. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add the washed wood ear mushroom and the washed white chimaji mushroom. Stir to combine. Cover the pot and cook it for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked. Add in fish balls, tofu, and choy sum. Cover the pot and continue to cook for about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the fish ball, tofu, and choy sum are cooked. Give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Switch off the heat. Sprinkle some cut cilantro leaves for a lovely fragrance. Stir to combine. And the simple fishball and mushroom soup is ready to serve. Let's eat! Wow, the soup is very tasty and very flavorful. The fish ball is soft, while the wood ear mushroom is chewy and very smooth. These ingredients go so well with the soup. Very light and clean taste. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!